English legal shorthand 100 words per minute. Ready? Start. Point number 6. On 7th May 2021, respondent number 2, Transport Commissioner informed the petitioner that State Powerlifting Competition 2012 certificate would not be considered for the purpose of 5% reservation under the sports category and, therefore the petitioners were not eligible to be considered under the sports category for the post of Assistant Motor Vehicle Inspector. Being aggrieved by the aforesaid communication, the petitioners filed an OA with the tribunal. Point number 7. On 16th February 2023, the tribunal dismissed the OA on the ground that as per the government resolution dated 1st July 2016, only games played in the Olympics and Asian Games would be considered for 5% reservation in the government job under sports category, and since powerlifting game is not included in the said competitions, the petitioners cannot be considered for the post of Assistant Motor Vehicle Inspector under the sports category. It is on this background that the petitioner are before us today. Submissions of the petitioners. The petitioners submitted that as per government resolution dated 30th April 2005, the candidate possessing a verified certificate for powerlifting would be eligible to avail the benefit of being considered in category reserved for sports category. The petitioners submit that they have cleared the preliminary and main exams and were also recommended by the respondent number 3, MPSC. The petitioners further submit that their certificates were verified and found eligible for being considered under the sports category wide certificate dated 6th April 2017, issued by Sports and Youth Department. The petitioners, therefore submitted that respondents cannot now turn around and contend that powerlifting game is not to be considered for the purpose of 5% reservation. The petitioners submitted that the respondents are stopped on the basis of promissory estoppel to contend so. The petitioners also submitted that the other two candidates who have been selected for the said post have been appointed on the basis of being certified for powerlifting and thereby falling under the sports category and are in the service. The petitioners, therefore submitted that the action of respondents is contrary to the Article 14 of the Constitution of India and, prayed that the impugned order of the tribunal be quashed and set aside. Submissions of the respondents. Per contra, the respondents submitted that the government resolution dated 30th April 2005 has been superseded by government resolution dated 1st July 2016, which was enforced on the date of issuance of the advertisement for the post of Assistant Motor Vehicle Inspector. Stop. As per Government Resolution 2016, only those games which are included in the Olympics, Commonwealth and Asian Games would be considered under the sports category, and since the powerlifting game is not included in these competitions, the action of respondents is justified. Stop.